A lot of focus I think gets on the conflict resolution because there's conflict in construction. It's really more about creating this information that everybody on the job can use to be better and hopefully prevent issues. Scott Brown, I'm a construction technology manager at Garney Construction. My team's responsible for managing and implementing all of our field technologies. We actually implemented DroneDeploy right when I came to Garney about 2 years ago. A lot of the easiest low-hanging fruit that we solved was just project documentation, solving disputes with a picture, whether that's from the sky or from the ground. DroneDeploy is serving as that field collaboration tool. It's a tool that's accessible not just to office folks, but to our guys in the field. They can get the ground app just like anybody else and take a photo and capture what they think is relevant to the job and then share that with everybody else. The most value varies job to job. Sometimes it may be something as simple as sharing a cool picture milestone, or it could be getting a big issue resolved where everybody wins from it just by having transparent data. A lot of our adoption has been driven by owner satisfaction of enjoying what the products we delivered. I think the overwhelming feedback from our owners is they love the ability to check in on their projects. And that's not just from ground data or aerial data. We've got live camera views now streaming into DroneDeploy. So we're bringing just a lot of opportunities to see the progress and what's happening on the job in real time to everybody. On most of our jobs, we self-perform the majority of our work. But when it comes to earthwork scopes, a lot of times we'll use a sub who's more apt to do something like that. This job and many other jobs, we have to track earthwork quantities, right? And they're billing us, for the earthwork that they moved. We were tracking them with our drone progress and having conversations with them. We actually sat down with them and showed them the results we were getting. And they were like, oh, that makes a lot of sense. It's a lot more precise than what we're doing. And it actually turned into a really good thing. There was no conflict. It turned into a win-win for both of us. I think to date, we've had almost 150 plus projects that have used DroneDeploy in some capacity. We have whole regions now that are saying, hey, we're going to standardize to capturing all of our photos this way. We're very regionalized when it comes to our work, but definitely seeing a lot of standardization through how they capture, how they document, and how they share and do things. Anything with scale, it takes people. I think sometimes there's this, hey, we're getting technology because we're going to reduce the labor or the people input. Technology starts with people. So identify your champion. Who's really going to be leading the charge when it comes to this push? If you get the right person, you'll be amazed at what you can get done.